Hi, this is Alex, and I am going to walk you through how to update the spreadsheet right here. The spreadsheet is for inventory, and it calculates basically your reorder point for any inventory that you need or any raw materials, things like that. So you want to start over at the Helper tab. Over here is where you enter in your SKU and then your SKU number and then whatever the description is. Over here, don't touch those. So we're going to enter in SKU 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just to be, crazy like that. And we're just going to call it a widget. Next, you're going to go to your purchase history, select from the dropdown. On all of these tabs, you have instructions, but I'm just going to do a walkthrough for you as well. You can see that automatically populated. Your vendor and your PO, these two are completely optional. Fill them in if you want, don't if you don't. I'm going to say this is from ZYX Co. And our purchase order date. And I'm going to make one for 5/15/24. And I can even type this in if I don't want to select from the drop down. So I can go 1, 2. Or I can just go over here and I'm just going to leave those two blank. It's not it's optional, like I said, and I don't need them for any reason. Order placed. And we're going to say this one came on 5/1/15, not 15. There we go. So you can see here I have 4 different dates. This one was the shortest, coming in 12 days. This one came in 59 days. If you go back over here, your average lead time based on those 4 purchases is 35 days, and your maximum lead time is 59 days, which is what we just talked about. We're going to go over here to forecast sales. Select it from your dropdown. Automatically populates. This is where you enter in the date that you want your 12 months to start with. If I wanted it to be 25, I'd enter in that. If I want it to be 4, you can see it automatically updates. And then in here, you go and you enter in your sales by month. This will automatically populate in a bit. We just haven't filled in everything yet. Historical sales works the exact same way. Forecast sales is looking forward. Historical sales is looking back. You can see this goes through March, goes through May. Once again, this will get filled out, just not there yet. This is where the fun happens. Let's go ahead and select our SKU. Anything in green, you can probably tell that throughout the spreadsheet. You're going to want to fill in. If it's white, leave it alone. So right here, quantity. How many do you have on hand? I'm going to say I have 125. Do I have any committed? Do I have any already sold? 15. On order, I have 25 that I've already ordered. You can see now that we've filled out that, these cells have gone ahead and populated. Here's where you decide if you want to reorder based on historical or forecast. If you have if your sales are basically the same year over year, month over month, it's pretty easy to order based on historical. But if you have any significant growth or any significant decline, you might want to use forecast. This is telling me right now I actually don't need to reorder based on history or based on forecast. Let's say I only had 10 on hand. Now it's automatically telling me I need 72. But if I wanted to do it based on forecast, it would tell me to order 74. So see, you can kind of play around with that. So that's how it works. And kind of walk through the whole thing. Here you can see if you don't need to order anything, it's going to be white. But if you do need to order something, if it's going to be red, just to kind of make sure those pop out for you. Comment if you have questions. Thank you.